Alright guys, welcome back. Last episode I got nested as a bird. Today we're gonna continue as I did a little off camera. I just grew a tiny bit. I grew to like medium. So let's continue. It'll be fun. Let's go. We're all in the dark. All in the dark. All in the dark. Imagine a volcanic eruption just goes. It was so adorable though. Oh my gosh. It's adorable. Adorable. Like, I'm gonna die because it's too adorable. Wait, I need to young. What happened to flying? Can we fly? Whee! Oh my goodness. Wait. Oh my goodness. I grew. Whee! Alright. Whee! Oh my gosh. I need to test this. Oh, this. Adorable. 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 This is adorable. Tiny Huey. Tiny. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. 100%. Oh my. I'm so fat. I'm so fat. Oh no. Run. The sun. Yeah, face. I'm an elder. So, phase.
What?
Yeah, so, I'm gonna. Yeah, so I'm in Roblox. And I'm as a bird, and there's this thing chasing me.
A bird?
I'm a bird. Let me record first. Let me stream on Discord. Oh no 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 no. I don't have stamina. I don't have stamina to run. I don't have stamina to take off. I don't have stamina. No! I died. How dare you? Oh my gosh, just rip. Rip my little thing. Rip. Let's just... I am gonna try growing this. Oh my gosh. I'm sad now. Sad, oh my gosh. I had a family. I had a family and they killed me. I'm a squirrel thing. Meow. Meow. Isn't this so adorable, Phase? Isn't this so adorable?
I don't even.
Look at my stream.
I'm not watching your screen. I'm trying to fight right now.
What are you as? You Sarko? Are you Sarko or something? Might be. Phase. Are you Sarko?
Hold on. Oh my gosh. A lot of bodies. Wait, one sec. There's a lot of bodies. And it's gonna keep killing. Does this hurt me? Does it kill me? What does this do? What is this? What is that? Is it a shield or something? So, does this kill me? Or something? Does this kill me or something? Or it does not kill me? I don't think. I don't think it kills me. Wait, what the? Like, eating or something from this too. Alright. What? You can't buy it. Oh. Reese's Pieces. Oh my gosh, run. That mantis thing over there is kind of mean. He kind of wants to kill me, I think. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, he kind of wants to kill me, I think. I'm so sad that my bird died. That person just murdered. Yeah, he wants to kill me. What the heck? How dare you? He can't catch up. Like, he's too slow. Slowpoke, 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 slowpoke. I'm too fast for you. 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 Ah. Wow. He really wants to kill me. He can't, though. But he's really going to. I'm gonna sit. Oh my gosh, my sit's so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna die of. Oh! I'll just age. Mutants. I'll choose while playing. Special mutants. What is it? You should eat. H just milk for you sisters. H. I smell resources, but not the resources I need. This is what? Should I kill him? Murder. Yes. Yeah. I need to kill it. Ow. Ow. Wow. Why does everybody want to kill me? Just chill. Just chill. Oh, that's the sun. I was like, oh my gosh, there's a nuke or something happening there. It's just the sun. When can I grow? I want to be this tall. I'm a tiny baby though. I'm starving. Can I please? Can I please? I'm starving. I want something to eat. Creature eyes, that's a poly something, blah blah blah. He is a threat. Should I be nice? Should I be nice? Hi. 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 Yeah, he's nice. Oh, why? Can somebody at least be nice? Fresh water. Is she gonna kill me? You. Yeah, he's trying. Should I just make a break for it? On side here on my blade, I'm just gonna say. I'm gonna make a break for it. I can't go here. Does that mean I'm growing? Oh no! Items. Where's the items tab? tokens, right? Token. Tickets. How do I get tickets? No. Let me see if I can get trade world. Trade world. Oh my gosh. I actually lost it. I was about to grow. I was actually about to grow. Let me see. Oh. No, wait a minute. I'm gonna trade this, cause why not? He said those annoying. It didn't even appear in chat. He says that it says trading kindling right here. It's me. I don't see the trade thing yet. I hope someone. How do I show the trading thing? How do I show the trade? How do I show a trade? I don't know. I'm just trying to sell something. Except Yeah, so can't do that. That does not help. How do I? Oh my gosh, I'm sure. Hmm. How do I? Of course we can trade, but then you don't show. Right, so what the heck? Okay, jeez. I am just trying to trade, and someone just do it.
But it's the biggest war ever.
Was it what?
Yeah, there's a war, SO. Spine Lizard Lagoon, there's a war there. It's the herbivores, it's the DASP versus the herbivore and the carnivores.
Oh wow. Is it Sarko? Sarko's are probably gonna win. I'm just trying to trade something in Roblox with nobody. Okay, so this issues. Okay, we traded. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna leave my trade room. I got something new. Okay, so that's gonna do this. So guys, guess I'll end it there. Next video I will record and I will see and test out the new dancer. So bye. See you next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified every time I do a new video. So see ya. And always remember to share this with your friends. Please subscribe.